Enjoying breakfast, overlooking the sea, the sand, the blue sky is the best way to start the day. Today is one such day where we plan to see the sunrise and relish some sumptuous breakfast. So, what are we waiting for? Let's crack on with it. Easy overnight oats. Simple, healthy and delicious breakfast that you can make ahead for busy mornings. Firstly, in a mixing bowl, add half cup of oats, 1 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, 3 tablespoons of honey. Mix all the ingredients. Cover the container with the lid. Place in the refrigerator for 3 hours or overnight. Chop fruits of your choice. I have used kiwi, strawberries, pomegranate, plum and dates. Blueberry pancakes. These blueberry pancakes are soft, bursting with juicy blueberries. In a bowl, crack 2 eggs. Add 3/4 cup milk. Whisk well. In a separate bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, a pinch of salt. Make a well. Add the wet ingredients. Add 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Combine all the ingredients well. Refrigerate for a couple of hours or overnight. Heat a pan, add butter. Pour about 1/4 cup batter into the pan. Add blueberries. Flip it and cook the other side. Serve with maple syrup. Yummy! We had our share of vitamin D in the morning with some colorful breakfast. Do let me know how you like this view. Looking forward to your lovely comments. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.